Greetings, AI enthusiasts. Today we embark on an exploration into the world of Stable Diffusion, a revolutionary technique that brings AI and artistry together. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just beginning your journey into AI art, this video is your guide to mastering the art of Stable Diffusion with these top-notch AI tools available on AITopTools. Join us as we unveil the 5 best Stable Diffusion tools designed to enhance your creative process and elevate your AI art to unprecedented levels. Get ready to witness the fusion of technology and artistry as we delve into the heart of Stable Diffusion tools. And make sure to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our AI videos. But before we list the tools, let's first explain what Stable Diffusion is and understand how Stable Diffusion prompts work to create better AI work. Stable Diffusion is a technique that is used to generate AI images. It is a relatively new innovation that is used to create images that look realistic. It is a popular method that has made it possible for AI images to reach new heights. To create your Stable Diffusion image, go to the AI tool that you chose and type your prompt. The more detailed it is, the better the result will be. You can write with a lot of words, but there is a word limit. Then press enter. Usually, you will get 4 images and you will be able to click on each to look at it properly. Right-click on the image you like to save it. If you do not like the image, you can simply click on Generate Image again, and you will get 4 new images. Some AI tools allow you to add a negative prompt, which shows the things you do not want in the final image. However, the main thing to keep in mind is to add a proper prompt and change it until you get the picture that you are happy with. In constructing a prompt, the key lies in conveying the relative importance of different elements to the AI. Proper wording is the tool that enables this communication, and we're here to guide you through the process. To begin with, prioritize the most crucial aspect of your prompt by placing it at the forefront. For instance, if your objective is a moonlit image, initiate the prompt with the term moon. Sequentially, maintain this emphasis on significance from the initial to the final word, with each subsequent word being progressively less vital. The AI prioritizes words based on their order in the prompt, highlighting the importance of careful phrasing. Additionally, employing parentheses can accentuate the significance of specific words. For heightened emphasis, consider using double or triple parentheses like moon, underscoring the importance of those words for the AI. Furthermore, when aiming for a particular aesthetic, such as a dark ambience, strategically incorporate descriptive terms like dark, gloomy, moody, and darkness. Utilizing synonyms generously enhances the AI's focus on the intended aesthetic, contributing to more satisfactory outcomes. By employing these techniques in crafting prompts, you can achieve outstanding results. Mastery may take some practice, but understanding the process is key. It's essential to note that different AIs exhibit varying sensitivities to prompt nuances dependent on their CFG scale. Opting for an AI with a higher CFG scale increases the likelihood of aligning the generated output with your vision. Selecting a suitable AI is pivotal for obtaining images that closely match your desired outcome. Let's now shift our focus to the array of diffusion tools available. These tools excel in the art of Stable Diffusion, guaranteeing the swift creation of lifelike images. So, without further ado, here are the 5 best Stable Diffusion tools to use today. Number 1. Playground AI. Playground AI stands out as an innovative platform that caters to a wide spectrum of artistic endeavors. Beyond its proficiency in generating art, postcards, and logos, this tool extends its capabilities to crafting engaging videos. The user enjoys a high degree of customization with numerous effects and artworks that can be tailored to individual preferences. One noteworthy feature is the ability to control image quality, coupled with the option to work on the same image by duplicating its seed. With both free and premium versions available, Playground AI accommodates users at different stages of their AI art exploration. Number 2. Dreamshaper. Dreamshaper, a dedicated digital art style tool, puts a spotlight on the creation of captivating portraits, picturesque landscapes, and various other illustrations. The platform encourages user engagement by allowing them to upload their creations to the website, where contests add an extra layer of excitement. Tailored for enthusiasts of anime-style art, Dreamshaper ensures a user-friendly experience, requiring nothing more than a straightforward sign-in to commence the creation of AI images. Number 3. Foder. Foder positions itself as a go-to choice for beginners in the world of AI art generation. Its user-friendly interface makes the art creation process seamless. By providing a brief description, users can quickly obtain results in a plethora of styles, including illustration, 3D art, concept art, oil painting, cartoons, and more. While simplicity is a key feature, the tool thrives on specificity. The more detailed the input, the more precise and satisfying the generated results. The AI Image Generator by Foder is a cutting-edge tool that helps users turn their text into stunning visuals. With the click of a button, users can input their desired prompt and watch as the AI-powered generator creates an image with an otherworldly magic wand style. What's more, the AI Image Generator is free and requires no design experience or knowledge. With this powerful tool, users can easily create eye-catching visuals that will stand out and capture their audience's attention. Number 4. Deliberate. Deliberate, a professional-grade art generator, distinguishes itself by implementing a diffusion model that achieves a harmonious blend of realism and digital art. Unlike more beginner-friendly tools, Deliberate requires detailed descriptions to unlock its full potential. The tool excels in crafting complex images, paying meticulous attention to details that might be overlooked by other AI image generators. For those transitioning from the novice stage in digital art to a more nuanced and sophisticated level, Deliberate serves as the perfect upgrade. Number 5. Dream Studio. Dream Studio enters the scene with a cutting-edge, intuitive design, making image creation a seamless process. The user experience is enhanced by the simplicity of writing a prompt to generate images. This tool specializes in delivering hyper-realistic images with just one click, offering users extensive control over the quantity of pictures produced through a single prompt. With its sleek design and user-focused features, Dream Studio empowers artists to achieve highly personalized and visually striking results. And there you have it, the top 5 Stable Diffusion tools you can use today. If you are wondering where you can get amazing AI Stable Diffusion tools, we have the perfect AI directory for you. At AITopTools, you can get these amazing AI tools and more. The great thing about this directory is that you can compare and contrast all the AI tools and get the one that fits your criteria the best. We hope this journey through the 5 best tools has inspired you to push the boundaries of your creativity and explore the endless possibilities that AI art has to offer. As you embark on your own Stable Diffusion adventures, remember that innovation knows no bounds. Experiment, iterate, and let your imagination run wild. The tools we've showcased today are just the beginning. There's a vast landscape of artistic exploration awaiting you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more in-depth explorations into the world of AI art and cutting-edge technologies. If you've tried any of these tools or have your favorites, share your experiences in the comments below. Let's build a community of creators who push the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of Stable Diffusion. Thank you for joining us on this artistic journey. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep mastering the art of Stable Diffusion.